Today we've got a Baumalight RSX series splinter. We've paired it with our Kubota KX057 and we'll be demoing it while we size down a pine stump so this machine can handle it. Right now it's about 30-ish inches and it just is too big for the machine. So in a real world application for this Baumalight, if you're a contractor that's doing jobs with a compact piece of equipment but need to handle big objects, you can size them down with this head. If you're looking to diversify what your compact excavator can do, look into the Baumalight line of wood splitters. Today we use one on a KX057 to grind up just about a 30-inch pine stump. Took us a little bit under an hour to do it. Something great about it is this stump would have been too big for this excavator to handle full. Now it's down into bite-sized pieces that you can pick up, load into a truck. One thing we did find during this is with this on, you really don't have any way to use your thumb, but you really don't need to, because the Baumalight, it'll actually core down just enough that you can then pick that up, bring it over where you want to set down, reverse out. So it's a pretty unique attachment that's also quite versatile. Thank you for joining us on this new implement experience.